If you think reading your notes is how you study, I have terrible news. It's failing you. There's a trick that changes everything. Your brain is designed to forget. Passive reading only tricks you into thinking you know it when you actually don't. Don't just read the information, force your brain to pull it out. That struggle is exactly what builds real knowledge. This isn't about memorizing facts, it's about building the mental muscle that allows you to access those facts instantly. Instead of reading, close your notes. Write down every single thing you can recall. This is the game changer. Look at those numbers. The effort you put into testing yourself dramatically increases what actually sticks. You don't need fancy apps. You just need to force your brain into those productive retrieval drills. By spacing out your study sessions over time, you are actually optimizing the natural growth of your long-term memory. It requires more energy up front, yes, but the reward is a solid understanding that lasts forever. When it feels hard, when you have to struggle for the answer, that feeling is your brain building a strong neural pathway. Don't try this all at once. Start small, build consistency, and watch your speed improve dramatically week over week. Stop looking for shortcuts. The most effective learning is always built through effortful retrieval. By making this switch, you aren't just learning faster, you are fundamentally upgrading your brain's operating system. If this helped you understand better, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed productivity hacks.